Hi Anurag, thanks for making from Tower A to Tower C for this podcast.
Tower C to Tower A.
Tower C to Tower A for this another episode of D2C Unbox. But anyways, way, thanks for making it. I know we had been chatting and wanted to speak to you in a comfortable setup, but this could not have been more comfortable for you, right?
Most comfortable. I thought you guys have planned it after seeing my Aadhaar card or maybe some PAN card.
Yeah, we do sit on a lot of data for sure. But this was not
So accurate.
This is like when it comes to, let's say, all those pre-filled addresses that we were talking about, right? like क्या कहते हैं बस प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण की जरूरत क्या है, right? So but this was not planned that way. It just happened so that we got this set of a podcast and it just turned out that we are just 2 towers away.
Thank you so much, I think, Pratik, for inviting me on this podcast, and look forward to have a great discussion.
Yeah, that's the intent. The other part of the intent, of course, is to be there are so many people in different part of the journeys. कोई कॉलेज का लौंडा होगा जिसका मन कर रहा हो entrepreneurship जाने के लिए. You must be in a dilemma that should I do job, should I do entrepreneurship, which direction should I take? उनको भी address करना है. Second part would be a lot of entrepreneurs who are probably D2C space or otherwise having their highs and lows and figuring out that does this high stay forever or does this low mean that I need to get out of this? Want as much addition for them. And thirdly, of course, for the entire ecosystem who wants to learn. As simple as that. That's the agenda.
Nice.
And the other part of the story stays to be that we really, really want to understand how can great brands like Acho be made out of tier 2 cities. And there is one element that we'll not talk about right now, the family element that we'll talk about as well, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess this is a broad outline, but we'll have a good conversation and whatever tomorrow brings, we'll keep on chatting. Okay. So yeah, let's start. Let's start the conversation specifically from you getting out of your MBA and starting your corporate journey. Tell a little bit about your corporate journey firstly, and then we'll take it forward from there.
Yeah. So I hail from Rajasthan, and my dad was in army. पापा आर्मी में थे, तो काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन में रहा हूँ मैं. मतलब I was into a very great discipline from since start. So पता था कुछ ना कुछ तो करना लाइफ में.
Just I'll interrupt. So one of the reasons I was apologizing for my flight delay was because I knew you're from army. I like army kids don't like to be late. Yeah.
तो स्टार्ट वहीं से था कि यार कुछ ना कुछ मतलब लाइफ में अच्छा करना है, तो एजुकेशन वाइज भी प्रॉपरली होनी चाहिए. तो आई डिड माई MBA फ्रॉम पुणे. बट जब वहाँ से MBA करी तो ऑफ कोर्स काफ़ी कुछ सोच के आए थे, एंड वी थॉट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ गुड थिंग्स टू हैपन. बट 2009 वाज काइंड ऑफ recession.
Oh yeah.
It was. So jobs were not there at that point of time. So I moved to Bombay to one of my friend, and then start looking for job. So it was not very easy to find a job in that point of time. My first job was into a infotech company. I worked as a executive. So उस journey, from that journey till this journey, I know काफ़ी ups and downs हैं. But yeah, starting was not that smooth.
It was not the starting that you were anticipating after getting out of your MBA college.
So that was the thing. So yeah, I think, and then so my first company was Snapdeal, Jasper Infotech Private.
Okay.
So I worked.
Like the e-commerce diggaj at that point of time, you can say that, right? At 2009.
This time they were not into e-commerce. They were into Money Saver Prime Card.
Oh,
So it was physical booklet जहाँ पे coupons होते थे.
Okay.
Used to tie up with the merchant and offers. तो वो वाला काम कर.
okay. And your role over there was?
So initially I was handling the part of some part of Bombay, some area of Bombay, and then later
Like in ASM?
kind of ASO, and then later on through
And group. Okay. And like during your Snapdeal journey, right? What was the highest moment that you felt like, oh no, I'm doing good? I think that started off with global recession is beyond now. Now life is good.
I think वो recession बहुत ही impactful था that point of time. Offers थे, the kind of company we were working, they were offering offers and deals. तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा attract किया उस time, like attracted a lot of customers, and it was kind of a positive push to that industry जहाँ पे customers were looking for the offers and the
Okay.
so उसको then Kunal and Rohit, they changed it to different model
And
to e-commerce. So काफ़ी interesting था just to see how Snapdeal was a deal website earlier, only deal website where local food spa deals were there with some offers, and seeing that journey to an e-commerce giant where they made themselves as a they positioned themselves as a great e-commerce in India. So that was a very interesting moment to see and to witness.
and what was your personal high over there? You were there for how long?
So I was there for close to 7 years.
7 years. 8 years is like
Very honest and very dedicated employee.
could say.
But I learned a lot from my company, especially from Rohit and Pranav. They were very aggressive, setting up the targets, monthly, quarterly goals, and then yearly goals, and then so I remember then they used to have yearly goals, split them to quarterly goals and quarterly, then monthly, and then monthly kabhi weekly review. So
Yeah.
amazing learning just to learn how they have actually managed to drive things and under them.
Yeah.
Hats off. Yeah.
So as you were saying, ki you understood the meaning of, let's say, sales rigor or those goal setting over there.
Yeah.
If you have to talk about your Snapdeal days, what are the 3 takeaways that you could think about? कि यार ये सीखा वहाँ पे और ये मैं आज तक कर रहा हूँ.
Three takeaways. I think there are like many of them, but importantly, तो सबसे important तो ये है कि working with very very closely with the employees, like setting up their, of course, which we have discussed. जो
Goal set.
Yeah, as a founder, which we are thinking, it has to cascade it to the team also, and they also need to understand, and उनको समझ में आना चाहिए. तो वो जो process है वो मैंने समझा है, because being an executive also and being as a regional manager there, every time the goal setting and the kind of targets and the kind of company goals which was cascaded to us, it was very clear to us. तो एक चीज़ तो मैंने बहुत clearly वहाँ से सीखी है, that you have to be very very clear what you want from your company, and you have to make your employees also join this journey. So ये तो बहुत crazy मैंने इनसे सीखा. दूसरा मैंने सीखा उनसे कि how aggressive you can be.
Aggression.
Yeah, aggression. मतलब amazing. मतलब the kind of space and the kind of speed I've seen, massive. मतलब with a very very small span of time. I think very few of the companies have achieved that. So I witnessed that. So वो aggression जो है, that is what I also.
What is your definition of aggression? How would you define aggression now?
I define aggression with like whatever time, like so मेरे हिसाब से तो जैसे आपने कोई टारगेट बनाया है, if you have made some target in your mind and you have your own timelines, like you have already आपने वो टाइमलाइन अपने दिमाग में बना रखी है कि चलो ठीक है ये अचीव कर लेंगे, लेकिन उस टाइमलाइन से पहले भी if you can achieve that, if there is a possibility to achieve that, and you know how important it is to achieve that task before that timeline, that creates an aggression. So
Are you saying कि यार जो चीज़ 30 दिन में हो सकती है उसके लिए 60 क्यों देना? हाँ, और जो 60 ले रहे हो जिस दिन के लिए, aggression's definition is कि can I do it in half the time? Can I reach there faster? Speed is aggression for you. है ना? So as you said, like, you know, getting the team aligned on the goal setting, you learned from Snapdeal aggression. What is the definition of aggression that you use today also, as you say? What is the third thing that you can think of?
Third thing I think would be trusting the team members. I can relate to a lot of cases where the founders and the senior management they've also given a lot of trust to their employees just to perform, given a lot of time to evolve within the company. So yeah, so the relation between the company and the employees, that's very important, and I've learned that. उसके बिना आप काम नहीं करा पाओगे. People don't work for only for money. They also work for a kind of relation which is unsaid between the founders and the team. So वो बहुत important.
I guess I saw some post on your Instagram page, your Acho's Instagram page rather, and it was on the like to our co-founder Happy Father's Day, and it was you playing with your two daughters, right? And is this how you were talking? Is this what you were talking about, that your team should not just fail as an employee, something on those lines?
Yeah, so हमने यहाँ पे भी so whatever employees whatever employee number we don't have very large employee number, but जितनी भी employee size है उसको हमने we have ensured that there's a proper interaction. There's no gap between us and employees. There's no complex route where they have to convey things to us. It's just simple way of communicating to us, and very easy way also communicating us. We're pretty approachable, and at times when वो एक कल्चर बिल्ड करने की हम कोशिश करें यहाँ पे to third impact we are building this at Arch Halls.
That's amazing. I'm pretty sure in all the flatter hierarchies, things move on fast. So again, the third part complements the second part very well.
Yeah.
Because aggression ban jata hai. Because if you're approachable, you can have that bias for action and move speed fast, right?
True.
Great, man. Snapdeal happened. Snapdeal went on for 8 years. 8 साल की जॉब के बाद क्या आता दिमाग के अंदर कि यार अब कहीं और मूव करना है, और वो कैसे आया?
हाँ, ये मतलब
You moved to another job after this, right?
No, I did not.
Did not?
No. Okay. So it was an internal transfer.
Okay.
I moved to Freecharge for some time.
And you're looking after partnerships over there.
Yeah, but it was again internal transfer. So that time the merger was happening between Flipkart and Snapdeal, possible merger, but it did not happen for X reasons. So वो जो period था that made us very insecure about our future. क्या होगा, क्या can you find? मुझे लगा कि मुझे now it's time that I should do something about my life, and I should be responsible of taking things very concrete, the decision about my life, so that when I look back after 10 years, 20 years, so I should not be dependent क्या करा क्या. Just the flow तो चलता जा रहा था. मुझे लगा कि वहाँ पे वो एक point था जहाँ पे I thought कि I should do something entrepreneurial उस mood में जाने के लिए, and my wife, we decided to start.
Okay. And she was working somewhere as well, or she was doing her own thing before this?
So she was a software engineer. She was working with a MNC called Vattusa.
Okay.
She was headquartered in Bangalore. So post our marriage, a break. Okay. But of course, so she's brilliantly. She's very, very sharp in terms of what she has to do.
Okay.
Very creative.
Very clear.
Very clear. So while having a discussion, I also got to know that there's something which we can do together. And I think this energy has to go in the right direction. And that's how we thought of starting a brand together, which have a ethos of Rajasthan, because we both hail from Rajasthan. So हमको लगा कि चाचा शुरू करते हैं जिसका ethos भी राजस्थानी हो और कुछ culture से related हो. And then we were just searching, and then we thought of a name called Acho. Acho is a Rajasthani word.
It's like acho, acha.
Yeah, it's a Rajasthani word. It's a synonym of very good in Rajasthan.
Very good.
Yeah, it's a first word of Marwari dictionary. Yeah.
It's actually A, right? Double A, right? That's why the first word you're saying.
So it's a first word of Marwari dictionary.
Okay.
And also, so since I was having some knowledge of e-commerce, मुझे लगा था कि there is a lot of competition in over the market. So if you want to be unique, then let's start with the brand name, where whenever I want to list my brand to any of the marketplaces, default or organic.
Oh, okay.
Triple S से तो कोई start हो नहीं सकता. Double A was always in the mind, and that's how it merged with our plan. Ki it is a very, very positive name.
Yeah, it is. The name is very, very good, right? It means very, very good.
It's very good. So couldn't be happier. Like if just So I think we picked this domain, booked it for a couple of years, and then started.
And you booked this domain while you were apart.
Yeah, of course. Right. So I booked a lot of domain that time. still paying the premium.
Is it like नाम बड़ी चीज़ है?
हाँ, मतलब वो GoDaddy का I think उनका tagline भी अच्छा है. I think it's something with starting, something to start, something big is starting. ऐसे कुछ था यार.
हाँ,
GoDaddy का कुछ था.
Okay.
So it's a starting phase of starting a business. I think name is very, very important.
Oh yeah, 100%. I have known people who will take a lot of domains, keep it with them.
Yeah.
If they use it, fine. If they don't end up with it, they sell it at high premium. Very high premium.
Business. It's a very good business. It's a good business.
Okay, let's take a step back, okay, and going back to Freecharge. के last 6 months लगा लो, 1 year लगा लो, right? तो दिमाग में कब आना शुरू हो गया कि now I think I'm not enjoying too much going work, all the work has been kind, I've spent so much time over here, मज़ा तो आया है, पर नहीं यार कुछ करना है. Was it just like a 3-month last का discussion, or was it like यार नहीं 2 साल से सोच रहे थे and it transcended into it?
3 महीने मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं था कि very short period of time we have taken a call. So Rimjim, while I was working, Rimjim was having a very planned way of starting this business from the scratch. और 2016 से हमने इसको प्लान कर लिया था कि हमको 2016 हाँ, बट हमको कैटेगरी नहीं पता थी. बट 2016 से हमने डोमेन लिया था. 17 में हमने कैटेगरीज डिवाइड तो नहीं की थी, बट हमने कुछ कैटेगरीज पे हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया था. मतलब Rimjim I started that part. Instagram से ही she started doing something.
Okay.
And so Rimjim की mom is so they have a designer पोशाक्स में she needs into पोशाक. It's a Rajasthani Rajasthani attire.
Okay. ये पोशाक वो ड्रेस को ही नहीं कहते. पोशाक मतलब लिटिल मीनिंग इज लाइक ड्रेस, राइट?
नहीं. तो पोशाक जो होती है वो एक कम्युनिटी, हमारी कम्युनिटी के अंदर स्पेशली ऑन वेडिंग्स वुमेन वेयर इट. सो थोड़ा हैवी रहता है, उसमें जो वर्क रहता है हैवी रहता है. उनकी प्राइसेस भी थोड़ी ज़्यादा रहती हैं. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी डेली यूज सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ डिजाइनर कल्चरल अटायर. सो Rimjim की मॉम को वो उसका ऑलरेडी बिजनेस है, उसका टेस्ट का भी अच्छा ऑलरेडी होगा. सो Rimjim गॉट दिस मे बी इनहेरिट हुआ था मे बी, एंड शी हैज़ अ वेरी नाइस अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑन दी कलर्स एंड दी मटेरियल्स. तो शी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम, एंड देन आई वाज वर्किंग, एंड देन मुझे लग रहा था कि कैटेगरी वाइज हमको उसको रिफाइन करना चाहिए. by the time when she started from Instagram, तब तो कुछ orders नहीं आते थे, but inquiries आ रही थी. And then when I was in Freecharge, तो last के जो 6 महीने 3 महीने हैं, she made her, मतलब me and Timjit, और then हम दिन में तो मैं तो काम करता था दिन में, रात को we used to connect on the call on Google Meet, and then
So you were different. She was still there?
I was in Bangalore. She was
Oh
in
Lord, oh Lord. Long distance after marriage.
Yeah. Yeah. And at that time, at that point of time, I had my first daughter also, 2017. So that's the reason she also took a break from Achu. मतलब मैं Achu को Instagram से शुरू कर दिया ना 2017 में. She took a break because of daughter, and then 2018 में I was in Bangalore. I shifted to Bangalore, and since जो last के महीने थे, then we decided कि now we should again start this. From मैं दिन में तो काम करता था, of course, and then रात को we used to connect on calls and meet at make the website on Shopify, when checking कैसा होगा क्या नहीं होगा, making some graphics on Canva, saving every cost. So यह काम किया, and then found उसको time लगा meet बनने में, but it was pretty easy to start. And then when we started getting the orders from the website, that's when I thought of
कि अच्छा कुछ फ्लो आ रहा है, तो आप इसको सीरियसली कंसिडर कर सकते हो.
फ्लो भी इतना आ रहा है कि मतलब सैलरी तो जस्टिफाई नहीं हो रही, बट हाँ उसके आसपास आ रहा था. दैट्स द राइट मोमेंट वेयर द रिस्क बहुत कम हो जाती है.
ऐसे ही कि when you get as close to as possible of earning the salaries that you're doing, that's the right moment to think about doing it full time.
Yeah.
How? And this started happening how many months before you decided to call it a day?
So I think marketplaces help us a lot. Was starting के अंदर तो you cannot invest a lot of time and energy into understanding how Facebook and Google Ad works.
Okay.
So marketplace at that point of time वहाँ पे Wedding Brigade करके एक marketplace था, अभी भी है. They are very good into wedding blogs and wedding attires.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे we have listed our products.
Okay.
And that's how we got orders, and फिर मुझे लगा कि वो orders जो हैं वो अब मेरी सैलरी के बराबर के orders मुझे आ रहे हैं. Then we start. So I think 3 to 4 months prior to when I switched.
Any other thing that so this part what I understood was कि करना खुद का था. And Rimjim started doing something in the background. You're like, चलो मैं तो अभी job करता हूँ. I'll work in the day, and in the night we can connect over this part, right? But any other thing that drove you towards entrepreneurship?
Yeah, I think control of the life, और वो जो thought है वो बहुत ही उसने काफ़ी पुश किया कि मुझे लगा कि यार लाइफ कभी भी ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि यार I'm just letting my life and very important days of my life go and controlled by maybe some other external factors. कि आप कभी यहाँ शिफ्ट हो रहे हो, कभी इस सिटी में जा रहे हो, कभी सिटी में जा रहे हो, शायद वो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, let's plan things according to what we want to live, and खुद का कुछ करके देखते हैं. एंड देन अभी नहीं करेंगे तो फिर कब करेंगे. ये जो टाइम है, ये जो 27 से लेके 35 के बीच का टाइम है, आई थिंक ये टाइम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम होता है जस्ट टू create a base and then enhance it later according to how wise your business is going and how good you have in terms of your customers. वो बात की बात है, लेकिन जो बेस बनाना है वो इन्हीं टाइम ही बनेगा. मुझे लगा यार फिर वो अभी नहीं करेंगे तो वो.
So what I hear is like you started feeling a bit on the lines that these are good days of my personal life also. Then I'm staying in a different city from my wife, you know, and we had a beautiful daughter just came into this world. And मैं जिंदगी के अच्छे elements तो मिस ही कर रहा हूँ. Something on those lines started happening, and you wanted कि अब control चाहिए भाई life का.
Control भी ऐसा कि which I can actually pass on to my next generation, which I can give them that this is what we have created. Now it's up to you that you want to continue it to next legacy or not, but at least we should give them this sort of thing जहाँ पे एक business है, जहाँ पे एक set business है, जो हमने struggle किया वो ठीक है, वो part आपके यहाँ से skip है. Now you have to grow from here. So we yeah.
Is it something like a Rajput thing or something? Is it?
Thank God are the days of.
Is it like I want to create a legacy?
वो राजपूत वाले जो दिन है अभी, I think वो sword वाले दिन है. But हाँ वो passion और वो जिद तो I think it's there in the gene. And काम आता है काफी ज़्यादा जाता.
So yeah, you want like okay, the third part would be like I want to create something of a legacy, and then it's up to the next generation whether they want to take forward that legacy. These were the decisions that you decided कि आप कुछ start कर. Perfect. So as you said कि domain name book करा दिया, the पोशाक connection super good. ये फिर final category कैसे settle in हुई कि यार this is the category that we want to into, and ये category final करने के बाद there are mass, there is premium, there is mass premium. How do you position yourself? Was it the same in the starting or it evolved later also? So something on this line of the journey.
So when we started, we started with Poshaks. So we had a great shoot for Poshaks. Poshaks, as I told you, उनकी price थोड़ी high price रहती है, ASP थोड़ी ज़्यादा रहती है. So they sell in between around 20,000 rupees, 30,000, 40, 50, 1 lakh तक जाता हो. Okay. And it's kind of more of a customized product where interaction with the customer is there, and then you understand the requirement of the customer and make you die, and that
it's a customized thing.
It's a
made from scratch.
But nowadays there are ready-made poshaks also. But since it's a high ASP product, customer is tend to spend more time. यार मैं इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, एटलीस्ट मैं देखूँ उसी प्रोडक्ट कैसा. तो हमारा आइडिया था कि यार वो पोशाक को हम लेकर आए ऑनलाइन, ताकि इस टाइम क्या पोशाक का इतना ज़्यादा चलन नहीं था. द पीपल वर नॉट इन स्टोर, मतलब ऑनलाइन में नहीं था, ऑफलाइन में काफ़ी अच्छा. बट वी मिस्ड इट बिकॉज हमने शूट भी करा लिया, हमने अच्छे से इसकी पोजिशनिंग करी, लेकिन उसकी जो प्राइस थी, पोजिशनिंग थी, हमने उसमें मिस कर दिया. और वी स्टार्टेड विद high price point 40,000, 50,000. Customer was not very comfortable paying that online. And maybe जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि कस्टमर को ये प्रोडक्ट अगर बाय करना है तो उसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा पर्सनलाइज असिस्टेंट चाहिए, which was missing.
Correct.
So we launched it, and but we badly failed in this. We did not get any orders. हमने शूट में इन्वेस्ट किया था, शूट वाले पैसे दिए थे हमने. We hired a good model also, some South Indian actors, I don't remember the name, but okay, हमने उससे शूट कराया था. So this is how it worked. So जब लगा कि यार उसको और डीपली अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि मिस्टेक क्या हुई, तो हमको लगा कि यार मिस्टेक ये हुई कि प्राइसिंग
for this segment and online selling,
online selling. So at that point of time, I remember Jabong of the world, Mintras of the world, they were offering low price point products and in a very fast manner, बहुत ही कम टाइम स्पेंड में. अभी भी बहुत जल्दी डिलीवरी करते हैं, बट वहाँ डिलीवरी भी ज़्यादा थी और प्राइसिंग भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी. मुझे लगा कि शूट वूट सब अच्छा रहा. तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम 2017 में मेरी डॉटर भी हुई थी, तो I took a break and then we thought yeah, let's not invest more time energy in this, rather just evaluate कि हमने क्या गलती करी. And then time passed by, and then my sister, she went to Chhotwada and Jaipur. It's a poshak market only. So after 6 to 8 months, my sister was market में नहीं.
Okay.
Then she took a poshak, and poshak लेने के बाद when she saw the poly bag, she noticed that कि ये वही पिक्चर से जो हमने शूट कराई थी.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
So those pictures got viral on the internet. So हमने उसको live लिया था, but it did not do well. Those pictures of poshaks, they were so good that everyone was using those poshak का इमोजी.
कॉपी कर, ये सिर्फ वो छपी हुई थी उस लिफाफे पे और
सिर्फ
दे
छपे।
कॉपीड अच्छा छपे
So छपी हुई थी वो इमेजेस जो छपी हुई थी and then वो देख बोल सकते अभी भी if I go to Jotwara and Khatipura I can see our Poshak pictures there.
इंडिया में तो कॉपीराइट है ही नहीं
So everyone is free in India. So yeah. So my sister called me कि यार जो तूने मेहनत करी थी एटलीस्ट वो तेरे तो काम नहीं आ रहा लेकिन someone is using that and वो किसी काम आ रहा है बट is it the right way of thinking कि if someone is making money out of those images why can't he?
करेक्ट
मतलब is something which is missing in your business. You should relook that part. तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो सही बात है. तो हमने फिर ऑफिस को रिवैल्यूएट किया. हमने क्या दिक्कत है. उनको पता पड़ गया कि प्राइसिंग सही नहीं है प्रोडक्ट की भी. तो हमने ऐसा लो प्रोडक्ट के साथ हमने वी स्टार्टेड दिस एंड we started with dupattas and we started with some small ASP and then cool when we started. So that's how the category was built. That's how we understood about this category. And we also understood that there was a gap. That point of time, Bibas of the world was also there. Kurtis market काफ़ी established था और काफ़ी prominent था in Japan. और designer market जो है वो भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा था. Not in Japan but all over the India. But जो बीच का segment है वो missing था and that segment was festive wear and occasion wear.
Festive wear
And occasion wear.
okay
So it's not very daily use sort of product line. Neither it is a designer product line जो कि 30,000
correct
वाली रेंज. ये बीच की रेंज है 3,000 से लेके 6,000 की बीच की रेंज. And that's where we place our product.
I was checking your website something similar only 6,000
Yeah.
5,000 उसके
इसके आस लेकिन उस प्राइस पॉइंट तक पहुंचाने के लिए जो प्रोडक्ट में जो चीज़ लगती है वॉट एवर थिंग्स इट रिक्वायर्स जो वी डिज़ाइन दोज थिंग्स एंड दैट्स हाउ द प्राइसिंग आल्सो कम. Yeah, so that's how we are building this category.
Again on the part where you just mentioned that now we realize okay this is the category. Market research के नाम पे क्या करना हुआ उस time पे when you were beginning around these price points targeting and then there is another question which is a step back but पहले let's get a little understanding of that. What did you do in terms of market research?
So in terms of market research, actual market research मैंने रिज्यूम में अच्छे से करी. We went to all the markets in Bombay. I still remember when she also when she was expecting कुछ months before also. She is very strong and she's very clear what she has to. So
Okay.
when it comes to market research, that was part of what I also learned in my MBA. And she also knew that whatever you have to start, उससे पहले एक बार market research कर ही लेते हैं. तो what better than having an idea of Bombay market, offline market, and Bombay being a great business city. तो वहाँ पे अच्छे markets हैं.
Correct.
So we went to Manish Market in South Bombay, Colaba, and there is Kalba Devi Market. So वहाँ पे very good quality of gota. We can also मतलब हमको वहाँ पे मिला था. We thought of starting maybe मतलब we also thought of starting products made of from gota because जो आचो का एसेंस है उसमें हमको लगा था कि we should also make those products which are very handy like jewelry, gota jewelry, ऐसी छोटी मोटी चीजें थी वो कि इंस्टाग्राम में उस टाइम बहुत ही पॉपुलर. We thought of doing that. So market research के लिए we went to these offline stores, talking to the vendors, talking to the sellers, how is the market going on, what is the ASP, क्या चल रहा है, what is the quality, how they are sourcing, कहाँ से वो सोर्स कर रहे हैं, कैसे सोर्स कर रहे हैं. अमेजिंग आइडिया. मतलब वी गॉट अ वेरी फेयर आइडिया दैट कि हाँ भाई ये चीज़ तो नहीं करनी क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिशन है और ये चीज़ कर लेते हैं बिकॉज अभी तक तो कुछ दिख
यहाँ पे स्पेस है.
हाँ
Got it. So you basically went out there in the market in which everything is being done to understand shit better, right? The question I was about to ask, which is a step back, as I was saying, right? When your sister sent you the picture, कि यार जब लोग कमा रहे हैं करके तो why can't you do that? Maybe there is a gap, you need to evaluate that. And when she sent you that, you had taken a decision कि I'm shutting this thing down. मतलब मैं उस एंगल से प्रीमियम को शार्क वाले एंगल से नहीं खेलना मेरे को. And to like have started invested in getting a model, getting shoots done, and then deciding कि अच्छा एक चल नहीं रहा, अब उस पे जाना है. How did you emote? How did you feel? How did Remji feel? And how did you guys had a discussion about it? Yeah, this is not the end. This is just the beginning of a new thing. How did that come into picture?
उस पर बहुत क्लैरिटी थी हमको कि यार we have to have a series of learnings. These are not the failures, of course. मतलब I don't take this as a failure at all. It's just a learning where वो हमने पैसा पे किया, हमने learning ले ली, ठीक है. वो that was a paid learning for us, right? उसके बाद हम वापस वो गलती नहीं करें.
Paid learning. I like that idea. Paid learning.
And then उसके बाद we will not do that silly mistake again, of course, because we have spent time and energy on that. हम उससे better ही करेंगे. So उस पर भी हम clear थे. So when I got a call from my sister, and I thought कि यार बात तो सही है, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन ट्राई करते हैं, इसको तो नहीं करते हैं, सेकंड ऑप्शन ट्राई करते हैं. एंड देन उसमें जो आपके पार्टनर का जो कंसेंट है वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपको नेगेटिव वाइब्स आ रही या नहीं यार मैं तो नहीं, आई शुड नॉट ट्राई अगेन. It was also very enthused on that. क्या ठीक है, it did not work, no worries, let's start this, maybe I think this should work. And then yeah, that's how it started.
मतलब ऐसा कुछ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट फेज वगैरह टाइप का नहीं क्या? डैम इट डिडंट हैपन, क्या है यार ये इतनी मेहनत करी कुछ नहीं हुआ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ?
थोड़ा सा लगता है, लेकिन ठीक है. मुझे लगा कि इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा मुझे लगा कि यार ठीक है, we did something and
पेड लर्निंग as you said.
it was a paid learning for us. And काफ़ी लोगों से मिले, we met a lot of good people. We met people who are very hard working into doing shoots. Then we got an experience कि शूट कैसे होता है, कैसे वाइट बैकग्राउंड में कैसे शूट होता है. We also understood that क्या क्या चीज़ें लगती है शूट के अंदर, मेकअप, हेयर मेकअप, आर्टिस्ट इतना भी है. that was a part of on the shoot perspective. Then इसको इससे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल ये था कि किसी भी चीज़ को प्लान करने के लिए कितने दिन पहले हमको चीज़ें प्लान करनी, क्या प्रोडक्ट आपको कुछ भी हो सकता है. It could be a पोशाक, it will be a suit set, or maybe a दुपट्टा. But जो प्लानिंग का जो पार्ट है वो हमने प्ले किया था, राइट. सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमने एटलीस्ट वो जर्नी देखी थी, एंड दैट वी चेंज द प्रोडक्ट. एंड वो उसी सेम जर्नी से हमको this time it took, maybe for the first time it took 15 days for us to make the plan and do the shoot. Second time it was 3 days. So that
The second one was 3 days.
everything was like 9 days or 2.
सब समझ में आ चुके, सारे सोर्सिंग कॉन्टैक्ट्स एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन प्लेस. So that's the lesson for anybody else who is starting off and probably hitting a roadblock right now. It is basically see it as a brilliant paid learning. And just decide कि यार ये करना है तो फिर okay, learning आ गई है, move ahead in life, right? Great. And when you started off again with the price points you wanted to, that is decided कि यार ये कैटेगरी में कर सकते हैं, women wear में करना है, इस प्राइस रेंज के अंदर करना है, because after doing your market research, as you said, was there no player in this space who was doing it at a bigger level, or were there still players and you decided कि यार then also I didn't think this is the meat that will grow?
So of course at that time Instagram was booming. Instagram अच्छा कर रहा था, and then there were very limited players at that point of time. I would not say there were no players, very limited players, but competition is very essential for a category or for an industry to go. If there are no competition or no competitor, I think none of the business will ever take internal challenges to evolve.
Correct.
So competition उतना neck to neck नहीं था as compared to what we are witnessing right now at shop. A lot of startups are there in this industry, this category. But at that point of time, very limited. Very few of them.
That time was few of them, so it was not very tough call to make कि यार इस space पे खेल लेते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब हमारे लिए we were very clear कि हम what brand we want to make ourselves. We always we were always very clear to make a brand, not just a seller on a marketplace. And वो हमने शुरू से ही इस चीज़ पे काम किया था कि how we want to position our product, and of course customer is the only person in this entire game that वो आपको बताएगा कि क्या करना है नेक्स्ट, राइट? अगर आपने कोई गंदा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है तो कस्टमर ही आपको बता देगा कि यू शुड नॉट लॉन्च दिस product next time, and that's how you all also, that's how you fine tune your sampling every time and again. So for us great learning जो हमको मिली है वो हमारे कस्टमर से मिली, and that point of time, and our brand ethos was always there, and it was a mixture of both of them. That's how we created this brand.
Okay. And what's your mechanism for customer feedback? What's your process current?
So currently, so if I look back a year back, the kind of orders we were getting, we actually are getting. Earlier we used to get around 6,000, 7,000 orders a month. Last year, close to this one only. Now we are getting around 25,000, 30,000 orders
a month.
Yeah,
that's amazing growth, by the way. In 1 year, that's a 3x growth. You'll reach to 4x, so 300% top.
Nice. So, customer. So, since we are directly connected with customers, a lot of time we are not able to interact with the customers. But with the help of the technology, of course, we are trying to be in touch with customers and get the customer feedback from whatever various platforms we can have. Right? It's email or WhatsApp marketing, or through our website widgets.
Yeah, nice. And let's say you reach to this 25,000 orders per day. What's the contribution of? Oh, sorry. Inshallah, you'll say inshallah, right? It'll happen, right? And let's say this scale you have reached. What channels are contributing to it currently, and how they have evolved from where you started? Like, what was the split when you started off, and what is the split today, and how has this evolution taken place?
So when we started, as I mentioned, we started with one of the marketplace, and we were one of the top sellers at that marketplace.
Okay.
So in 2019 or 20, the total revenue contribution which we had was coming, 90% was coming from the marketplace, and 10% was only from our website. So that was which we have witnessed in 2019, 2020 as first, but we changed it post-COVID.
Okay.
So now the 90% orders are coming from our website, and 10% is marketplace.
10%. That's a good split to have.
Yeah.
And how this, a lot of people are skeptical in building D2C brands because they feel that वो CAC to LTV ratio जो चलता रहता है ना, like, so how is that working out for you? Like, is that the metric you try to optimize, or you like कि brand बना रहे हैं, I don't need to worry about it right now?
So CAC is always a concern for D2C brand, because पहले CAC was pretty at a very lesser cost. We used to acquire a customer at a very lesser cost, but right now it has improved significantly. Pain तो होता है, but at the same time we also know that the main business will also come from the repeat customers, and if we are serving our customers with the full honesty and with the right product and with the right product quality, I think the customer will of course come back to us, and that's how
of course
we can make money and start making money. So we not say that we are burning, but very less margin right now for the first order, and then repeat customer is where we are focusing on.
And that's where you're like कि हाँ यहाँ से धंधा बन जाएगा,
वहाँ से धंधा बनेगा.
यहाँ से धंधा बन जाएगा. And you know, just for people to understand, repeat rate कितना अच्छा चल रहा है. Like if somebody buys
40 to 40%.
40 to 45%. That's it from my end. That's a good rate to make. So that means people are loving your product for sure.
Yeah.
And do you also evaluate something on the lines if somebody has done a new purchase, the probability of them purchasing it in another 90-day cycle or 180-day cycle? Do you do something like that?
Yeah. So thankfully we are in India. There are a lot of so our target audience is women, and that we have a lot of festivals, small events, and then small regional festivals also in India. So जो साइकिल है वो it is trending from 60 days to 90 days के आसपास.
Correct. Cycle of purchase.
हाँ, संक्रांत है, संक्रांत के बाद फिर उसके बाद बैसाखी, उसके बाद फिर होली आ जाता है, फिर उसके बाद छोटे मोटे
Correct.
ये है, that उसके बाद फिर फेस्टिव गणपति आ जाता है,
And Diwali के.
the plate business type. So इसके अलावा भी रीजनल holidays होते हैं. Yeah. Then since we have categorized our product as a occasion wear also, so personal parties, यहाँ के birthday parties, या फिर personal functions हैं, वहाँ पे भी people prefer to wear achu or those kind of products where they can buy it a very nominal price and then a good quality product. So ये काफी important है us.
So that's a very interesting way to look at it. The cyclicity specifically. India is the region of festivities, so त्योहार तो चलते ही रहते हैं. And that's where you said it makes sense for you कि यार एक बारी customer acquire हो गया ना. And as you said, you're rightly not burning on that. But then it will, if you deliver the quality product, it will continue making good business for you. Right? That's amazing actually. And when we talk about delivering these products across India, right? What would be your major markets? Like tier 1 major, tier 1, tier 2 ज़्यादा रहता है या tier 3, tier 4 का split भी अच्छा?
So for us, metro cities are of course
because your product pricing.
Metro cities are contributing the most. That's how we have also placed our store in Delhi. But we have seen a shift, and people are also now, thanks to the e-commerce and then net and internet and availability of smartphones and internet over these tier 2, tier 3 cities also. People have started. We have also seen a significant growth from last year to this year. People started purchasing. The only problem which we are facing right now is the COD return support. The delivery pin code serviceability is this one of the concern which we have witnessed. But we have partnered to some courier partners, and there are ecosystem of some courier partners where we are kind of covering all the pin codes with the info these courier partners.
Okay.
But COD acceptance is in low right now. So there's a gap. There's a gap.
Whatever orders are coming through COD don't get received.
Don't get received. और अभी भी इंडिया में अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है कि इन सिटीज़ के अंदर इन ट्रांजिट में डैमेज होना है, फिर दे जस्ट steal the product or they keep something in. So अभी भी कुछ cases आते हैं.
Okay.
And then gives a
bad taste to the brand, and you're trying, and I could very easily figure out you're a brand person, right? And that's where it becomes a little tricky for you. Okay, this is a problem you would want to solve, I guess.
ज़्यादा नंबर नहीं है, बहुत कम हो गया है, but अभी भी है नंबर.
Got it. But yeah, stays to be metro focused more. and tier 2, tier 3, you're going into. And you mentioned that Delhi में offline store खोला, right?
Yeah.
That, how long back is this?
So we started, we launched this in 2022,
Okay.
October. Just
कहाँ खोला दिल्ली में?
it is there in Vasant Kunj. Nice one.
अच्छा, in Amazon mall. Yeah, how this like?
So we also had one more store in Select City. Okay. It was only for a year. So we operated it for 1 year, and then it was a pop-up store.
Nice. And do you have plans for offline?
Yeah, we wish to have a lot of retail stores, but 2-3 challenges में ये है कि inventory, since we are a self-funded brand right now, we are bootstrap, so making the inventory by your own is a challenge, and then delivering it and supplying it to the retail stores would also be concerned, because the average selling price is high.
Okay.
So making and keeping them for a longer time at shelves is not a price.
It's not that easy.
Yeah, it's not easy also. But so let's see. The plans are at least in the metro cities, we should be available for our customers. Validation हो जाता है the customer.
And Delhi is the start to it.
Delhi is a start to it.
And expanding across Mumbai, Bangalore.
Yeah, Bombay is next. Then Bangalore, Jhabad, Jaipur.
These are the cities that you think जब online acceptance है तो taste समझ में आ गया लोगों को, and brand recall भी आना शुरू हो जाएगा, something like that.
So we are just fixing up the inventory part, and as soon as that is fixed, then yeah.
Who's any new brand in the women ethnic wear or even otherwise you find that they have done a good work in building offline presence? Any name pops up?
I think Libas has done work. Biba ने भी अच्छा काम किया हुआ है. Offline they have actually I've seen Biba tier 2, tier 3 cities also. Factory outlets भी है, I think उनके कुछ franchise outlet. So in terms of expanding, I think they have done a great job.
And the same. And do you do cross learnings in terms of reaching out to, let's say, a Libas or a Biba person and trying to understand, Kiar, how are you playing this game? You know, do you do this part, or I see you as a very calm, composed guy. I don't see you texting someone. अंदर से feel आती है.
So we have not tried this, but so Biba and Libas, they are like very senior brand to us, because they've been in this industry for a very long time, and then they're just into the learning phase, and let's see how it goes. But yeah, nice to have good competition around them.
But I like the part how you appreciate competition. By the way, met a couple of folks who always do this part, and they are the people who grow the most in life, who are like appreciative of competition a lot. Yeah, if competition brings out the best in you, what kind of a person are you? Huh? Is it?
Yeah.
Like, how have you grown up in life? Are you one of those people who get like, yes, competition aaya, now I'll be even better, or is it like you?
So I was always calm in terms of, and it's thinking challenges within the mind, and taking the calls within myself, and जल्दबाजी में कोई काम नहीं करना, softly challenging, so solving the problems. Complex problems get solved within the mind. So I think that strategy I'm using right now.
But yeah, how do you perceive competition in life in general? Forget about current D2C setup. How have you ever always perceived competition? You used to play any sport, bachpan mein?
So I was a player at college type handball. I used to.
Okay.
And I was also part of NCC. I was senior officer. And
You come from army background, of course.
Papa ne bola tha NCC because we have to do NCC. So yeah, so I learned a lot of things from these, specifically these two important milestones in my life: leadership and how to win the losing game. I think
I like this part. How to win the losing game.
yeah. So I've learned these two.
Nice. And what we've already known that one game that was going the other way, which was when you launched Acho at the Poshak wala part, and then you turned it around. What other thing could you remember of turning around a losing game? Yeah.
I think apart from Acho, so me and Rimjim, we always wanted to have a life in Jaipur because we both came from Rajasthan, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
So when I was in Bombay and I got shifted to Bangalore, then मुझे लगा था कि यार life में कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे तो जयपुर वापस जाएंगे, and then because it's a very nice city to have good people, मतलब शोर शराबा ज़्यादा नहीं है, अभी तक तो नहीं है. So shifting and making the entire plan and shifting base from there to here, I think that was an important decision which we have taken as at shifting entire business also, because Ridley already started business from Bombay, तो उसको फिर shift करना यहाँ पे वो काफ़ी बड़ा चैलेंजिंग था हमारे लिए. So वो इतना ईजी नहीं था ऑफ कोर्स, और वो लगता भी इतना ईजी नहीं है. वो ठीक है, सुनने में लग रहा था कि ठीक है अब बिजनेस आप शिफ्ट कर लोगे, बट वो इतना ईजी था नहीं.
Yeah, आसान नहीं होता है. I guess when you're sitting in Mumbai, it's very different. You can like have so much done so fast.
Yeah.
So how did you deal with the speed part coming from Mumbai to Jaipur? टीम भी बनानी है, लोग भी हायर करने हैं. मुंबई के अंदर तो टैलेंट पूल बहुत सेक्सी मिल जाता है, दिल्ली में भी बहुत सेक्सी मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे कैसे करा, स्पेशली द टैलेंट पार्ट?
सो ये चीज़ मैंने सीखी थी मेरे जॉब से कि जॉब ने काफ़ी कुछ सिखा दिया था कि जो भी टारगेट्स अचीव करने हैं खुद से करना है. वो अगर हायर भी करना खुद ही करना है, कैंपस जाना तो खुद ही करना. सो हायरिंग के अंदर तो आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर दैट कि ठीक है, अगर ब्रांड बना रहा है, ब्रांड के लिए काम कराना है अपन लोगों से, तो लोगों से मिलना पड़ेगा, बात करनी पड़ेगी और समझना पड़ेगा कि कैसे किस टाइप के लोग यहाँ पे है जयपुर में. बॉम्बे में ऑफ कोर्स टैलेंट वाज ऑलवेज देयर, बट वी नेवर वांटेड टू हायर पीपल फ्रॉम बॉम्बे बिकॉज बेस करना ही नहीं था वहाँ पे
करेक्ट
ही नहीं, राइट. बेस तो यहाँ रखना था हमको. तो when we shifted, it was a challenge for us because उस time the brand was fairly new and people were also, मतलब उनको शायद प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी नहीं आता था. आजो का मतलब भी खुद पता चला. we used to make them understand about,
like I call Cho as Cho, Acho. People call Acho.
People used to also say echo. I don't know, a lot of so but we were clear कि चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. आज के कुछ सालों के बाद when people will understand this brand and they understand the deep understanding and deep thoughts which we have put in, तब तक की मेहनत है. We are still making this brand a better brand every day. तो initial days में लोगों से मिलना, taking interviews और उनके बारे में समझना, that making them understand about our brand philosophy, kind of यहाँ पे थोड़ा सेल करना पड़ा शुरू में, क्योंकि right talent is also very very important,
Of course.
because if you have wrong people in the initial days then you are screwed up for months.
Correct.
Then तो जो इंटेंसिटी है या फिर वो अग्रेशन है, जो चीज़ें मैंने सीखी है, वो चीज़ अगर मेरे को किसी कैंडिडेट में मिल गई तो ठीक है. देन इट वाज माय रोल टू हाउ डू आई कन्विंस हिम टू जॉइन अस. एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू आल्सो टेक केयर दैट कि जो हमारा सैलरी कंपोनेंट है वो ज़्यादा नहीं जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज सिंस वी आर सेल्फ फंडेड एंड अगेन बूट स्ट्रैप, तो वो पोर्शन में हमको ध्यान रखना. सो या थोड़ा बैलेंस करके चलना पड़ा, लेकिन वी somehow got lucky to have good people and start, and then we still have people who are working since we shifted to Jaipur. तो उस टाइप के भी हमारे साथ काम कर रहे.
Okay. What was your main pitch to these guys, initial hires? What was your pitch?
Pitch as in?
How did you sell yourself to them, to join them? To join you, sorry.
So, I think जितने भी लोगों से मैंने मिला हूँ, मतलब उन्होंने ये बोला कि सर मैंने कंपनी बारे में नहीं जाना, फिर ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं फिर इस टाइम आपका, बट आई हैव एक्चुअली जॉइन दिस कंपनी बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड मे बी बैक. So when we were interviewing people, we were not actually taking interviews, we were actually talking to them and also understanding about what they have understood. अपने resume हम side में रख के बात करते हैं, posting
रिज्यूमे साइड रख के बात करना.
बात करके and then understand लेना कि क्या उन्होंने काम किया, and then also giving them a chance to also understand and to also ask what they want to know about the company, and वो सब चीज़ें विदिन इंटरेक्शन हमने बात करी तो काफ़ी लोगों को समझ में आया कि यार काफ़ी डाउन टू अर्थ है एंड इंटेंशन काफ़ी क्लियर है कि को ब्रांड को आगे लेके जाना. तो did not try to sell it, but yeah, it did work.
They like the people. You're saying bet on the jockeys, not on the horse वाली बात.
Yeah, was correct. Yeah,
That's nice. And as I was saying, you know, as you said कि मुंबई में तो टैलेंट बहुत है, यहाँ पे अच्छा टैलेंट मिलना हो गया पॉसिबल.
yeah, I think COVID helped us a lot. People came back to their roots, and Jaipur being the closest city to Delhi and Bombay, a lot of people were there from these cities, and they came back. So that was a time when we also thought of retaining those people, and people were also open to work from those cities, and freelancing project भी आपको मिले थे. Well, maybe we have approached freelancer and they were ready to work with us. So it worked good. It did help us a lot into networking with these people. Yeah. So challenge तो था, but COVID की वजह से काफ़ी help हुए because people wanted to come back.
Yeah, people are like, I want to be closer to my folk. घर वालों के पास रहना है. And that was like it was a horrible time for everyone, right? So it was emotionally also a little overwhelming. कि यार, why are we staying so far?
Correct.
Why are we staying so far? As you were saying, कि यार, you know, you got a beautiful daughter, wife over here, gym over here, and you're like, यार मैं क्या करूँ life में वहाँ पे? So I guess a lot of people realized back then also कि यार सब घर वाले वहाँ पे, everything that matters is there. Why are we just on this?
अभी भी होता है, मतलब अभी we used to get a lot of calls and our HR and अपने जो हमारे जितने भी recruiters agencies हैं, they उनके पास कुछ कैंडिडेट्स आते हैं ऐसे जिसमें वो बोलते हैं उनको कि यार they want to shift back to their beats and to Jaipur, and that's how they are looking for a job. Can you give them some? Because तो ये अभी भी है, mix and match है कि people are still looking and they wanted to come back and they made okay working from Jaipur, but finding a right talent is a thing which one has to be very very wise about picking right talent.
And important. I guess I was talking to this product manager in one of the BPC companies in Jaipur.
अच्छा.
Good minimalist, you know that, right? I was talking to that guy and he said, I'm Lucknow passed out, some IIT passed out. I'm like, यार यहाँ shift आने का था कि my family stays in Kota, so this is good for me. And company is growing, as you're saying, Acho is growing, so people don't mind doing that part. You know, when specifically you have reached a scale now, as you're saying, 25,000 orders a month वाला scale पहुंचा हुआ है. So people understand कि okay यहाँ से कुछ बड़ा ही बन रहा है. And that's also the velocity is एक साल के अंदर 5-6 हज़ार से 25 हज़ार. That's amazing number. So I guess that really helps excite the talent as well कि यार हाँ
उनको भी अच्छा लगता है कि यार they are working for a right vision and right company. I think that attracts also.
And then you get a bonus part that you stay closer to your family.
Yeah.
That helps. सबसे बड़ा question, how did you decide to start a venture with your own wife? Where people are like, no. I cannot have my wife in the workplace, even around in the same building. You decided, no, we're going to do something together, and probably did something good already. We can see that, right? That's such a beautiful venture that has culminated into what it is today, right?
Yeah.
So what made you take that call?
So intentionally तो of course नहीं था कि यार ऐसा कुछ प्लान था, but of course we were pretty good friends and we were talking a lot of things. So वो connection बहुत ज़रूरी है when there is a friendship and your partner is being very very honest about a lot of things, and when I can also see that what potential she is having in terms of creativity, in terms of the knowledge and the sharpness. So मुझे लगा कि it's my duty to give her a support where I can be a support to her, in her business, and my idea was just to ठीक है मैं business उसका business तो नहीं करूँगा मैं, ठीक है खुद का देखता हूँ कोई business करूँगा, job करूँगा, but I think you should do this. This is good for you. And when she was working, most of the time she was sole proprietorship पे ही वो काम कर रही थी, and then I thought of like यार नहीं यार अकेला तो करते हैं उसको अब इसके साथ करते हैं, because when you do a business and lot of other things or compliance wise भी काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं.
Correct.
Meet to a lot of vendors and then talking to vendors, negotiation, customers. So मुझे लगा कि नहीं यहाँ तो partnership.
लेट्स क्या कहते हैं रिश्तेदारी को बिजनेस में भी कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. उल्टा होता है ना वैसे. That's good. And how has the experience been working with her?
Amazing.
Yeah.
I think
No days that it's like, oh my god, we shouldn't have started working together. No, not a single day like that. Do touch me. You also do touch me.
no, ऐसा नहीं है. Because we have built things where we know that it's very hard to achieve in a very short time. So when we look back, we see that all things we have achieved. I think that's a proud move for us.
Yeah. That's amazing. Okay. One thing to understand from our own perspective, right? We all are building things for D2C world, whether it's us or players who are in the similar categories. Multiple companies are building tech stacks, services, delivery part for D2C startups, right? In this entire scheme of things, of all the universe there is there any startup in the zone that you find this is the startup with whom I need to have a stronger relationship because it's very important for me? Anything in the ecosystem you have felt? Or you feel that this ecosystem is very transitory and actually, they're great products, great services, but I think it's just as good as buying a Diet Coke that you're buying, replaceable with a blue water, as my friend Adfan said.
No, I think this is very, very exciting time for all of us in India. We are witnessing a great change. Digital changes there. Customers are also giving us that trust back, right? And customer trusting new brands also. So I still remember that when I used to purchase from Myntra or it from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, because it's a hard-earned money, and trusting a new brand online is what was the risk there.
Correct.
Right now, with the help of a lot of ecosystem, lot of brands, and like a lot of apps within the Shopify, and when you have created a good brand, and it is now easier to establish that trust, right?
Correct.
So it's interesting to see that there are brands who are doing good, and there are some of the categories which I'm looking forward, where a lot of scope is there, and I want to implement those things like use of AI. How can we use AI into our business? Maybe thinking of any of using the AI into our designs, and that part is also very important.
Any particular company bumped into this space that you like? हाँ अच्छा model लगा?
Not really, but I think that there might be a lot of good companies. I don't remember the name. Maybe there might be some companies, but it's a good idea to have that integration of AI, and then using that intelligence to our products.
Nice. So why I was asking this question, because I was having a great chat with few team members of mine, and we were talking about all these products, stacks that are there in place. All of them have dependencies of D2C founders for them to succeed. Also, they are making it for them, but it's a lot of dependency for them. I wanted to just understand, is there any name that pops up? मेरी डिपेंडेंसी है इसके अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मी द आंसर इज वन पार्ट इज सिंपल कि शॉपिफाई एग्जाम्पल राइट. शॉपिफाई पे तो डिपेंडेंसी है ही है कि बनानी है ऐप बने अपना अगर वेबसाइट बढ़िया चलेगी देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू कस्टमाइज एट द वेबसाइट लेवल डिपेंडेंसी आ जाती है राइट. एनी अदर सिमिलर कंपनी दैट कम्स इनटू माइंड. मेरा आंसर यही था कि यार मेरे को तो याद नहीं आ रहा. सो आई थॉट आई विल जस्ट आस्क यू.
मुझे याद तो नहीं आ रहा, बट आई थिंक Shopify
is the OG in this page is there.
amazing. But I still remember that when we used Shopify back in 2018, so we built our website on Shopify from the start, and it was so easy to make. It was so that at that time also it was very easy. Now it's like massive. It's amazingly made, and everything is pretty user friendly, and they've also grown it. Like we don't see moving our brand from Shopify to any other service provider. So I think they have created an great product.
Any inclination towards raising funds for expansion, or you're like कि नहीं यार अच्छा चल रहा है ऐसे ही चलेंगे, कोई फंड नहीं रेज करना?
Funding part, of course, yeah. So अगर electric growth हमको करनी है तो of course we need funds, and then funds for smart marketing, and then inventory, these and then also hiring the right talent also. So fund is required, but our philosophy is that till the time we are bootstrapping it, जितना हम उसको stretch कर सकते हैं हमको stretch होता चलेंगे. Then it is badly कि नहीं आना तो शायद लगेगा बहुत ज़्यादा funds. Then we'll start looking for funds, but right now we are managing it by let's see how it is going to play next.
You think when it will be required, we'll think about it. Currently it's not required, but would be required at one point of time for scaling further, hiring talent across different cities at all.
Right. So when we started with very less revenue in the first year. Like we would at 10 lakh rupees of GMV in the first year. So this for the last financial year we crossed 51 CR.
That's a good thing. 200 CR, man. 200 CR.
Yeah. So 51 CR we closed. So now the next milestone would be 100 CR, and then let's see how.
So this 51 CR last just 31st March closing. That's nice. So that's roughly around 4 CR per month. That's a good run rate. And you said 90% of it is D2C, 10%, and so you're highly focused on building your own brand. Those things, right?
Correct.
That's great. See, as entrepreneurs, you're always selling yourself to people, right? What's your pitch to people who are watching this podcast? That why Acho? Why Acho?
So I think product. This is the most important thing for us because whenever a customer, we know that our product can be distinguished. There are a lot of people who are copying it, and the moment we take our products live, we take our new collection live, and new copies are there. A lot of copies are there in the market, in the offline market within 15 days. But customer पता है कि यार ये product जो है नहीं आज हो पाया because they know the ethos of the product, and they know कि इसमें कितनी ज़्यादा मेहनत लगी है. So हमारे लिए तो product ही बहुत important है, product पे हमने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है, right? So for us it is very important that everyone should only focus on the product first, and also how to serve the customers. Right now our main focus this year would be how can we deliver products in a very, very short span of time to our customers and delight the customers. That's one thing. And also at the same time working on our product, how can we make better products at a very reasonable prices to our customers. So these two things which I am looking forward to this year.
That's a pitch, right? Great product, even though replicas are available. Great product
and the customer service.
And the service. Amazing. So as I said, like as an entrepreneur, what would be your pitch? So we also make sure that we also do a selfish part in this podcast where we promote ourselves, right? And this part is called how simple it is to check out using Simple. Okay, in which we'll give you one of the two or three merchant names that you just log into your phone and just check through that how do you find as a consumer to basically buy something from a D2C website, right? That's the idea of it. That fun will start a stopwatch the moment you have added something to the cart.
Okay.
So that we know how many seconds it took.
Take care.
Okay? Makes sense?
Makes sense.
Are you in a mood to buy a pair of denims or a sneaker? What do you want to buy?
Best take care.
Sneaker?
Yeah.
Let's go for Super Kicks. They're on the website.
Yeah, I'm on the website.
Change mood from sneakers to something else?
Yeah, I think I'll go for denims maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Going on it right now section. There I am.
Added to cart.
Headed to cart here.
Ratan, start recording the second when he goes. Whenever you start to proceed to checkout.
Achha, hang on. Let me just select the size.
Yeah. Whenever you say the word, we'll start the stopwatch.
So added to cart now.
Added to cart, but you are sure this is the pair of denim you want to wear?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now proceed to checkout.
Sit to check out. Yes. There's one coupon for me.
Okay.
Just asking for OTP filling. Yes.
Okay.
Verify.
OTP verified.
Yep. Name my address.
Is the address there?
Address is there, but is I have to check. And I need to edit the address.
Okay.
Correct address. The Ramakrishna apartment address.
Okay. Which one is this?
This is my previous office address.
This is your Bangalore address.
Not the Bangalore. So we have shifted our factory from Mansoor to Sitapur because I go in Mansoor. Right?
Okay.
Done.
Done. And go to the payments page. Yeah. You see simple payments over there. Pay later, pay in 3, anything?
Yeah, I can see pay in 3 installment, pay later.
Pay later. Click on pay later and just swipe right. The best payment experience that we have ever developed. Is order placed?
Yeah.
Yeah. How did you find this?
This is very, very fast.
Very fast, right? And you did
Seamless. Very, very seamless.
Yeah. You love it as a consumer? Like, is this something that you would want to use?
Yeah, this is very simple.
This is very, very simple, right? Payments made simple. That's what we are talking about. Yeah. So Nitya always says that best payment experience is no payment at all. So we didn't do anything, no credit card linkages, no UPI linkages, nothing is required. The limit gets allotted as per your internet purchasing history.
Oh.
And yeah, that's what we want to solve for. We want to solve for trust for the consumer. We want to solve for trust for the merchant as well. Where merchants who are spending money to acquire these consumers, and these consumers who have it in their mind that, oh, Acho seems good, but what if they don't deliver? What if they deliver me damaged packages? What if something happens? And since Simples have millions of users who are active on a monthly basis, they always know, okay, I'm paying for it on a similar lines as I'll pay for a local kirana shopping. That मैं ले आऊँगा सामान and मेरे को भरोसा है कि बाद में जाके खाता सेटल कर लेंगे. मर्चेंट को मेरे पे भरोसा है कि मैं बाद में जाके खाता सेटल कर लूँगा. And अगर मेरे पास कुछ सामान ऐसा है that I do not end up liking it or it's damaged, I can always just go back and exchange it, right?
riskless. Very, very less risk of
And that's where the trust is built.
trust is built.
And the consumer is like, okay, I want to try this, but I don't want to pay for it right now. I have a busy life. I do not want to do COD because I don't know mama ghar pe hai, papa ghar pe hai, main hu ghar pe, kab aayegi delivery. All those things are solved because there is no cash to be paid. And just on a swipe,
That's amazing.
order is placed.
That's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah. That was a great experience for me.
So if you would have chosen Pay in 3,
Yeah.
they would have asked for 1/3 of payment through your UPI or whatever you want to do.
How?
And remaining 2/3 gets elongated for 60 days of payment.
Credit.
So let's say if somebody is buying an Acho for 6,000, they pay only 2,000 right now. And like a credit card thing, they can pay another 2,000 after 30 days and another 2,000 after 60 days.
Yeah.
So that solves for a lot of things that
High ASP brands.
yes, for people who will be like, oh, I want to buy this, but I have so many things that I need to buy, so many things that I need to do. I have this to pay, and they're like, okay, I can buy this, pay this much, and move on in life and give it another 30 days part, right?
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much for this experience.
I hope you keep on using Simple ahead for future payments anywhere else that you use. At least I would have earned good one consumer base plus one. Perfect. Yeah. Had a great chat. I hope you enjoyed the same as well.
Yes, Prateek. Thank you so much for having me. And I think while talking to you, flashback journey aagi samne, and thanks to you. And I think
And I guess I lived it. I lived your life a little bit. I'm pretty sure we could have run it even longer. But I just understand that we are here and there is definitely a time constraint that you would have at the end of the day. But I guess all the conversation we did, it was so good that I enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you so much. Pleasure being here, and I hope you enjoyed it too.
Yes.
Yeah?
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.